How to use VO3 in Canva. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can use Canva and how you can utilize VO3, which is Google's AI video creation platform within Canva. So let's get started. Now to get started, simply log on to your Canva account. Now, this particular feature is not available for free. You're going to have to upgrade to a premium plan on Canva. This is currently available on all premium versions of Canva other than Canva Educational. So if you have Canva Business, Canva Teams, or Canva Pro, you can access this feature. You can go into Canva AI on the left, and then once you do that, you can just click on Create a Video Clip. It's going to show right under this particular box, and then you're just going to click on this. Once you've clicked on this, you have a few different options. You can choose to select these or you can not select these, and if you don't select them, it will decide based upon your prompt how it's going to proceed. So from here, you can choose the style, aspect ratio, duration, framing, as well as lighting. And then you can proceed with your video. Now I have two example videos already created. So my first prompt was a medium soft lighting clip of a woman walking down a busy street in New York. And this was the clip that it created. Now, one thing you will note is that VO3 has the capability to create sound. So because it creates sound, it is able to create some really hyper-realistic scenes. I have another example to show you guys. This is another example, and the people are actually conversing. So the people are conversing within this, and you guys can see that the hands look pretty nice as well. The fingers all look pretty straight and nice. This is something that a lot of AI tools or even just a lot of artists have a difficult time in creating, those little pesky details. Now, within this, I entered the prompt of two beautiful women standing in front of a castle talking to each other. One has red hair and one has black hair. Both have fair skin and are wearing extravagant gowns. Now, from here, I added my second prompt, which was to extend this scene where the camera zooms out and they walk in a garden. Now, Canva's version of VO3 does not have any built-in features for scene extension. So what it was able to do is that it was able to take the same characters and place them in front of a castle. And they are walking in front of a beautiful castle garden, and the camera zooms out. And you guys can see that you're able to create these consistent characters if you just create one image or one video with that particular character. So let's say I want both of these characters in a different setting. The redhead woman is sitting on a throne, and the other woman bows to her in front of a large gathering. And now I have pretty much just described what I want within the next scene. I have not specified the gathering or, much about the castle. And I do recommend that the more details you enter about each individual character, the environment, and the way that they are interacting with the environment, it's able to create more accurate results for you. And it's able to create something that you truly desire. So now moving forward, let's take a look at what it is going to create. And the best part about using Canva is that it allows you to even upload your own media, or VO3 generally does allow you to upload your own media. So you can click on Add Media and take any of your stagnant files or just old pictures and convert them into videos. So these types of high quality videos can be created from a picture as well. You can use those pictures as a starting or an ending frame, and you're able to create movement within pictures, which is especially helpful if you're trying to convert old content into Instagram content or YouTube content. If you want to build shorts and if you want to build some commercial ads, then adding those little clips can make the biggest difference ever when it comes to just A/B testing, because stagnant ads don't do as well ads with movement or ads with video. So let's just wait for this to be created. And just like so, this has been created. So let's take a look at our newly generated video. And the women do pretty much look the same. The woman bows down to the other woman. There is no dialogue, but there are some ambient sounds. As the woman is bowing, we have some sound. Now let's take a photo. And let's take this photo over here that I've previously used in Canva. Now I'm going to ask it to animate this photo. The woman applies the lipstick to her lips And just like so, I've entered my prompt. So now I'm just going to wait for this to create. Now it's not going to allow us to directly animate the photo. So I do want to make a video. Yes, I am going to allow it to proceed with using my reference image and then creating a video based upon our reference image. And that is how it is going to proceed. And this is what I love about using VO3 is that there are no restrictions on how you can create and how realistic it can be, because even with these really short clips, you can see there's a lot of realism. A lot of the people in the background, they look pretty nicely built. And within our original clip, we can see that the details for both of the characters have remained pretty consistent throughout. So now let's take a look at how it takes image references and how it is able to extract videos and create videos from a reference image. And just like so, our video has been processed. Now what it has done, and this is what you will see, is that because I was taking this particular conversation and I entered my image prompt within this conversation, it took the original videos that I created and it included elements of those videos within this. And I did ask it to animate that, so it took that context of animation into cartoon animation. Now, this is something that you can control. You can go into styles and choose the style of video you want to create. Like so, you can also choose the shot angle. So you have wide shots, medium shots, close up, over the shoulder, POV, and top down, which are all different variations. And then you can proceed with your idea. And the best part is that you can chat using your voice. So I want to create a beautiful young woman walking in front of a castle. She's wearing a long emerald dress and she has long black hair, pale skin, and she walks from the castle into a garden and there are colorful birds flying in the sky. Now, once I finished my prompt, I'm just going to pause that and now I can proceed. So I can click on submit to further submit and create my new video. And all of this is available for only $5.50 with Canva Pro. However, if you opt for using VO3 directly in Google, you would actually end up paying more because Google's subscriptions for AI start at around $20. So Canva is actually the more affordable option when it comes to VO3 creation. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.